Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to upload a zip file in Hostinger. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Click the Login button at the top right and access your hPanel. This is Hostinger's control panel where you can manage all aspects of your hosting account. Once inside, look at the left menu, select Websites, and then select the website you would like to edit. From here, go to the File Manager under the Files section. The File Manager is where you can upload, extract, and organize your website files. Next, navigate to the directory where you want to place your zip file. For most websites, this will be the public HTML folder since it contains the main files of your site. Carefully select the right directory to avoid issues later. At the top of the File Manager, click Upload Files. A dialog box will open, allowing you to select a file from your computer. Choose your prepared zip file, click Open, and wait for the upload to complete. A progress bar will show the status until the file is fully uploaded. So that's basically how you can upload a zip file in Hostinger. That's it for this video. Thanks.